Hi, it's Kelly from Chestnut Junction, and we are going to talk about printing your ePattern. Whenever you go to print your ePattern, we want to open up that ePattern file, and we are going to hit our print button at the top of our screen. Whenever you hit that print button, another box is going to pop up on your screen, and that box is going to contain options that you can click or unclick. And these options are telling your printer how your ePattern needs to print. And the things that we need to be clicked in that printer options box are fit to page, portrait, and single-sided. The fit to page is going to make sure that your ePattern is fitting on the 8.5 by 11 paper that is loaded into your printer. If your ePatterns are printing too large, that means your settings are off and you need to go back and click that button that says fit within margins, or fit to page. The portrait button is telling your computer to print your ePattern up and down. That is how I designed them, and that is how they are meant to be printed. So if you print them in the landscape option, it's not going to print correctly the way I designed it. And the third option with the single-sided is making sure that your ePattern is only printing on one side of the page. If we are printing on two sides of the page, that is going to mess the whole ePattern up, because you're going to have your pattern pieces on one side of that page, you're going to have directions on the other side, and you're just going to be cutting them both up and not being able to read your directions. So again, we are doing fit to page, portrait, and single-sided. If you have any questions, I'm always an email away. Thanks for your time today. You can find us at www.chestnutjunction.com, and our Etsy shop is www.etsy.com/shop/chestnutjunction.